So first thing, go to your app store or play store and download this app called Edit, an Instagram app. This app is an app made or created by Instagram to assist creators to be able to edit their videos and have a good quality content on the platform. So after downloading the app, this is what I have here. So I'll go to my account and open this app. So all these are videos that I've edit using this platform. Okay, so I want to edit some of these video for you to see that yes, this app is very good and it is working very well. That if you have this app, there's no need for you to go for CapCut Pro or CapCut anymore. So I'll go to the plus sign here. I'm going to take one of the videos that I want to edit. So I'll go to my content here and then search for downloads. Then I'll pick this video right here. Then I'll go to this site. Okay, so I've uploaded the video. I imported this video here. So I'm going to play about the video, and if you look at this app, we have the audio section here, that any other audio that you want to add, you can add it here. So we have so many audios here. We come to trend, we have so many trending audios that you can use. We have the original audio. If you have your own original audios, we have all these stars here. Okay, so you can add them. And then we have the text. Okay, so the text option, I can add any text to it, and I can even edit the text. We have so many text edits here. We have the background that you can change the background. We have some of the text effects here that you can use, and we have the gradients and stuff here that you can use for your text. You can even edit the background. You can choose the alignment of your text. Okay, so this is one part of it. And we have the audio section. That means I want to record my voice while this video is playing. I can record it, so I can even tap on it, and then I will start explaining to it that how this video was made. Okay, so I will be talking about this video, and for people to see how this video was come out and stuff. Okay, then after then I'll hit on this one to use that one. Okay, so I don't want to record anything, so I will just delete this one. We have the caption option. If you hit on the caption, it will start generating a caption on the video for you. Okay, so this video contains a caption, so it will create the caption for me. Okay, so this is the caption it just created, and I can edit the caption here. Okay, we have the edit. Yeah, hit on it. I can edit the caption. I can pick a style of the text that I want it to display and stuff. I can choose it. I can change the text type. Okay, and I can even change the color of the text. Okay, and I can even do a lot of brightness, saturation and stuff for the text. Okay, and we have other stuffs also here. That's all the overlay, in case you want to add a different content or different video to it, you can add it here. Okay, you can play around it, you can do a lot of stuff. It's very simple app that you can use to edit your content. Okay, and from there you come here, we have the sound FC. That means there are some sound text that you can use. Okay, so you see. Okay, so all these things are sound text that you can use for your video to make your video look engaging and stuff, that you can use it. Okay, so you can use any of them here. Okay, so let me pause here and I will go back to the other section. The cutout means you are changing the background of the video. Okay, so let me pick one of the video that I want to change the background. So let me do this one, for example, for you to see how it look like. So it's going to take the background of this video. So let me hit on track. Okay, so we're going to take the background of this video. Then so you see here, then when I hit on done and I start playing it, so you see it has taken the background of it. Okay, so you can even edit it manually for you to get the cock and stuff. So yeah, okay, so I can place this one anywhere that I want. Okay, example, those people who do reaction video, you can use something like this to do it. Okay, and if you look or go back here, we also have a sticker. You can add any sticker that you want. Okay, so let me tap on the content and see other stuff here, that I can increase the volume, the speed of the video. I can increase the speed. And if you come here, the green screen, you can add a green screen for your video. You have the 3D green screen and stuff there that you can use it. Okay, you can use it for your video. Okay, and then we have also, in case you don't want it, you can delete it. We have the adjustment. You can increase the brightness of the video. Okay, you can increase it, you can decrease it. And then we have the contrast here. You can increase it, you can decrease it. The saturation also here, temperature. So there are so many stuff here that you can include on your video to make your video look good. The sharpen too, you can sharpen your video. Okay, so these are all the stuff, and we have effect here that you can add any effect that you want. Okay, so we have all these things on CapCut, and most of them are on the pro features. So you can come in and choose any of these stuff, and then choose this app and start using it. Ignore CapCut and use it for your video. We have effects used here. We have the zoom effect, you see. We have the blur effect. We have so many effect options that you can use. The fade in and the bezel in. Okay, so we have so many effects that you can use for your video and to make your video look engaging and stuff. And then we have also text, that you separate, extract the audio from the text. So you see this is the audio at the top, and this is the text, and this is the video at the bottom. Okay, so I can delete it, the audio, so it will play without any audio. Okay, so there's no audio here, so I can bring it back so that you hear the audio. Okay, so that's how it is, and we have so many stars here that you can add to your video. You can even crop your video while you are playing it. Okay, so I can crop it to make it fix, or I can even decrease it. Okay, so you can do play about it and use it. Ignore a cut. Let's do this one to start making our content engaging. In case you don't have money, use this one. And if you're someone who still want the CapCut but you don't have money for the pro features, I have the pro features there, but maybe you misface a import option or export option problem. So in case you want it, you can use the link in the description. Go to my Telegram channel and get access to that. Subscribe, like the video, share to others too that would enjoy it. See you in the next video.